Yeah. Hi, good evening, everyone. Hello. Guys, can you hear me?
Sir.
Yeah. I say good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Good. Very good. And today is our which day, guys? Day 1, day 2, day 3? Huh? Is it day 1, day 2, day 3? Hey,
Date.
who said day 2? Yes, it is day 3, guys. Hey, guys, when we are doing this for free, don't think like we are running same quality. Okay. And it is just not to promote our brand and not to say like in future join for full stack. It's not kind of that. The reason for this training is you have long way to go for your IT career. I guess you will be 21, 22 age, and so you have a long way to go, at least 30 years from today onwards. If you join in an organizations, 30 years career is there, 30 years of salary, 30 into 12 months, 360 months of salary, 360 months of 365 days into 10, 12 months. Okay, that is nothing but 365 into 10 years, 3,600. So that is almost 10,000 days, guys. A long run to go. So I have learned enough in my 26 years of career, all these things. And it's a good opportunity for me to spend for time with the future generation and giving you the instructions and training you and leading you and setting at least a foundation or a platform. Okay, so I want to start with the quote today, right now. And yes, we will be doing that oops without any problem, as our agenda of this training is for this 1 month you should be sound in oops, object oriented programming. So we will be doing so as per our sheet. Day 2 we should be here. Okay, day 3 control statements. But I think for day 1 it was an introductory. So day 2 now I'll start with these data types, variables and operators, and then we'll go with these control statements. Okay, arrays, all these things, don't worry, we'll be doing fine. And object oriented concepts, so this is very important. We'll be focusing more on this object oriented things, right? Now see this, guys. Can you answer me what is a business? What is business? Right. Yes. Anyone? Chalo, chat. Respond through chat. What is business?
Something in which we invest and get profit, sir.
Money, right? Without money, okay. Without money, yeah, very good. We'll invest and source of generating money. Very good. And for this business, we need ordinary people or professionals.
Professionals.
Hmm?
Professionals, sir.
Professionals. Why
Yes.
professionals? Can we do with
Because
ordinary people?
because they think in a professional way and they can handle with nice.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Can I take a risk with ordinary people? Hmm? Can I take a risk with ordinary people?
Yes, sir, we can.
But it is 50-50, right?
Yes, sir.
But what is affecting is quality. If quality is missing, people stop trusting us, right? If stop trusting us, we will be losing business, and ultimately we will be losing what? Money. Yes, fine. You see this, guys, how it is impacting. Now, why I'm saying this today is software is also a business, guys. Business. And they need what? Ordinary. And software is a business. And you are what? You are professionals. If you are software professionals, okay, it's good. But if you are an ordinary professional, what happens? Will you generate quality? Hmm? No, right? So when software is a business, okay, software companies hire the software engineers to make money. Why software companies will hire you? Because they want to make money. And software engineers are businessmen. Software engineers are businessmen. Businessman always thinks what steps I have to take and improve the business, right? So they don't hire you because you are having a fair complexion. They don't hire you because you are very good in, okay, good looking. They don't hire you men because, hey, this man have a six-pack body. They hire you because they want a professionals who are sound in technology. With that technology, they want to make money, and when they are getting money, they are investing you also as a salaries, guys. Are you getting my point? See how it is interlinked. So that is what I am saying, guys. Long run to go, long way to go. Okay, so take this as a serious now, and please invest your time. Invest your time in learning. Right? Chalo. Now let us move to our coding part. So I have created. So I'm using this, and in this, let me do one. Okay, 8 p.m. batch. This is my workspace. In that workspace, so today I'm going to deal with day two concepts, variables, data types, operators. Okay. And tomorrow we'll see day three control structures. So create a Java project. Okay. Create a Java project. That is nothing but 8 p.m. batch. 8 p.m. batch. Oops. Okay. I'm using JDK 17 version, which is the stable. Okay. Module name. Right. Finish. Yesterday we have seen everything is a class. So today we will see with the day. Yesterday I created a package day one, right? So day one we have used once. What I mean to say is basic programming. So I will say day two. In that day two, let me create a class. In this class, okay, variables. Okay, and add a main method. Then done. Okay, so this is a class variable. In that class, now, what is a variable? What are variables? Anybody have an idea? Yes, what is a variable? Yes, you can type. A container. Very good. Okay. Anyone? Name given to a memory location. Very good. Right. Next. Right. We will see what is a variable. Data member to store something. Right. Very good. So here variables are used. It is a container. Very good. Which is used for holding the data. Now, when you want to go for a holding the data, let us see the classification of a data. What is that? Classification of data. So data classification is okay, like purely numbers, and purely characters. Okay, purely numbers, purely characters, and alpha numeric, and okay, one is Boolean. Okay, so this is the classification. In the purely numbers, okay, we have, it deals with, okay, integers and okay, decimals. Integers and decimals. In this, these integers and decimals, okay, they may be positive or negative. Positive or negative. Number can be positive or number can be a negative. Now, we have a range also. Okay. Okay. This is called a sign and range. The range is infinity. I don't have a symbol here. Okay. Minus infinity to infinity. This is minus infinity to infinity. So this is a range. So decimals also we can have same thing, positive or negative, minus infinity to infinity. So these are the variables. Now these are used for performing operations, right? Like I want to perform the bill, grocery bills. Okay. So in the grocery bills, prices, I want to add it, all these things. So purely characters means any characters, you have 101 keywords, capital A to Z and small a to Z. And okay, apart from that, all the special characters like exclamatory, at the rate, all this, down, percentile, caps, ampersand, star, this, okay, this, and this, and equal to, these are all characters, right? Now, what is alphanumeric? Alphanumeric is combination of combination of, okay, numbers plus characters. And Boolean. Boolean is, okay, true or false. Clear? Now, I'll ask one question. Answer me. Who will answer? Um, okay. Okay. Kirti. Are you okay, ma? If I ask you a question, will you answer? Kirti. Kirti Murugesan. Or else. Anusha. No. Gautam. Guys, somebody respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gautam. Very good. Thanks. Thanks for responding. I'll ask you one question, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, I thought two numbers in my mind. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just now I thought two numbers in my mind. Now tell me, add that numbers and tell me the result.
Yes, sir. We can take two integers and assign them to two integers, two variables, and we can add them and store it in third integer.
Now tell me what is the sum of the two numbers.
We can tell only if we know the numbers.
Right. If I tell you the numbers, two numbers,
Yes, sir.
you have an ability to perform sum, right?
Yes, sir.
If I don't tell you, can you tell me the result? What is that sum of two numbers?
No, sir.
Guys, you understand? Think Gautam is a computer. I don't know how to add that numbers, but I am dependent on the Gautam. But Gautam is raised his hand saying like, unless you tell me the numbers, I cannot perform any operations. Is it right, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
So I am a developer and Gautam is a computer. If I give some number, now Gautam, tell me the answer. What is the addition of 10 and 50?
60.
10 and 50 equal to how much?
60.
60. Guys, if Gautam is in deep sleep and I just whisper, just said, Gautam, what is 40 and 80? And he is in deep sleep. And when he wake up, then I say, what is the output? Can you tell me, Gautam?
No, sir.
Now, when I am saying 10 plus 50 equal to 60, when you are not sleeping, why you are not able to tell when you are sleeping?
Because I couldn't able to listen to you.
Right. You are saying listen, but when I speak, you store the two numbers in your mind. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Hence proved, right? When you are in
Yes.
deep sleep,
We can't store
what
the
is
numbers.
right? Tomorrow at now time is 2027. Guys, programming is easy, guys. Programming. I'll give you lot of examples on object-oriented programming, real-time scenarios. Like this, we'll discuss a lot. So tomorrow at 2027, remind this time, Gautam. I will ask you the same question. What are the two numbers I gave you?
Okay, sir.
Will you answer? What are the two numbers I gave you to add?
10 and 50.
Tomorrow, if I ask you also, you will be telling me, right?
Yes, sir.
After 50 years, if I ask you,
I may not able to tell.
right? Because as long as when I'm giving you an input, if it is residing in your memory, then you will answer. Otherwise, you will not. You
Yes,
know the
sir.
scope. Then after 50 years, he is not able to answer means his scope is immediately.
Yes,
That is
sir.
scope of a variable means how long he will be storing that value in his mind is called as a scope, guys.
Yes, sir.
How long? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. That is his scope. And if he is in deep sleep and ask him what are the two numbers, the scope is gone. Again,
Yes,
he'll
sir.
wake up, I'll ask him, then again the scope is on. Because when he is active, meaning when the JVM is active, it will be having the memory locations and the values are there. If JVM is off, then JVM is also helpless. So
Yes, sir.
now you understood, right? Now for a program to give input, we input is of type purely numbers, input is of type purely characters, input maybe your alphanumeric and boolean. Like your password, you might be setting your password like ma k at the rate of 123 or underscore. Is this not a alphanumeric, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Uh, So this data we need to store for a program, when we ask the program to do or perform operations, program says, you do one thing, give me the input. So I am about to give, then it says, wait. When you are giving the input, what type of input it is? Is it a purely numbers? Is it a purely characters? Is it a alphanumeric or is it a boolean? So we have to give the type of the data. Okay, what is this type? Classification of data. The types are, it will be a purely number, it will be a purely characters, alphanumeric and boolean. So what type of data you want to give? So we have to tell. So in Java, these numbers are called as these numbers, characters, alphanumeric, and this true or false. See this, guys. Numbers, decimal numbers like integers, decimals, then characters, then alphanumeric, comma, then true or false. These are called as literals. These are called as what? Literals. And these are called as data types. Type is integer, decimal is a type, characters is a type, and character is a type, and this alphanumeric is also a type, boolean is also a type, and these are called as literals. Which one? Type is there, and these are called as, the values you are storing is called as literals. These are called as literals. These are called as infinity to infinity are called as literals, and these are called as literals. So far clear, guys? Any doubts? Okay, we'll move forward. Now, so we need a variables. Now say age equal to 40. Okay, age is a variable which is storing the value 40. Okay, now guys, I said it is integer. Integer means numbers. Okay, float or decimal. Okay, which is called as decimals and characters. Now this age is called as a variable container or variable, and age is called as Okay, age is called as literal. And okay, type, what is this type? The type is, we can have a type as integer, decimal, okay, alphanumeric, and okay, boolean, right? Or characters. So the types can be integer, decimal, alphanumeric, or character, or boolean. Now tell me 40 falls under which type from these four types? Hmm? Who wants to answer? 40.
Integer.
Very good. Hey, within 15 minutes, you will be telling all the data types. No need to mug up. Java data types, I'll tell you. Integer. So integer, 40 is a literal and age is a variable and type equal to integer. So you have to give integer. Right? Next. Okay. Total bill equal to 345 rupees 56 paisa. Now tell me, what is literal, guys?
Decimal.
Literal.
345.56.
Hey,
345.56.
yes. What is a variable?
Total bill.
Right. Total bill is a variable storing this value,
Variable which
uh,
stores the data.
data. And what type it is from this four?
Decimal.
Decimal.
Very good. Right? Very good. Now, see this.
Floating point.
Will come. All that will come. This is generic. I'm giving generic. We'll go to the specific in Java. Now, is Modi our PM? Now, what is this, guys? Is Modi
Boolean.
Boolean? So equal to Boolean means true or false? True,
True.
right?
True.
Now, see this. Is senior citizen for age 75. Is it senior, guys? Age 75.
Yes, it's true.
True, right? For 75. Just I'm saying, we'll see this. Okay. Is Modi, it's a true. Now, what is the literal here in this and what is the variable from this? What is here in
True is
this?
a
Very
true
good.
is a
Yes.
literal, sir. Is Modi
True.
And
PM
is Modi.
PM is a variable.
Very good. Hey guys, do you think like we need to memorize all these things? Huh?
No, sir.
How simple it is. I say in Java, core Java, data types is the toughest. Polymorphism, okay? All object classes. I will show you what really the object is. Recently, I was conducting an interview for 8 years experience guy. I said, what is an object? He is giving me the definition. I am not satisfied. I want, did you feel any object? Till 10 years, 15 years experience of guys also, they don't know what is an object. We should see that object, then we should feel that object. We'll see, no problem. Now you have a good understanding on Okay, what is a literal and what is a variable name, right? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Java have given variables are of integer, okay, then floating, then character, and then boolean. Categorized into 4. Integer is further divided into, okay, least is byte, okay, then short, then int, and then long. Now, see this, guys. We are giving integer, but that integer should be replaced with byte, short, int, and long. This is specific. This is specific and this is generic. We don't want generic. Java have given a specific integers. Now, why 4 different types of data? Byte, short, int, long. Now, let us see this.
Sir, space complexity.
Very good. We'll see. On what basis I have to decide byte, short, int, long? Okay. Now, what is the Java syntax for variable? What is the Java syntax for variable? So these are called as data types, guys. What is that? Data types. Data types are in Java for integer is byte, short, int, long. So far good. So syntax for variable declaration is data type, okay, space, variable name, space, assignment operator, and literal. Okay. Now, when I say, okay, marks equal to or not marks, roll number equal to 10. Roll number equal to 10. What is the literal here?
10.
Very good. What is the variable name? Okay.
Roll number.
Roll number. But as per the formula, we should give the data type also. Now, how many data types are here? How many? 4. Byte, short, int, long. Which one is the best for this best data type for this roll number? That is the biggest question. Yes.
Int.
Okay, we'll go with int. Why do you think like int?
We can use short also, sir.
Yes, short also. Why?
Because short has a range up to 127.
Okay. So short have a range up to 127. Okay. Meaning, guys, the simple formula to add what data type is byte short is every data type have a characteristic of, okay, range, which is very important. Range. So what it says is for byte, okay, equal to 127 minus 127 to, okay, minus 128 to minus 127 minus, okay, 128 to minus 127. Just I'll check that one. Okay, don't worry. Imagine this is the range. Next is, okay, approx I'm giving, guys. Short equal to 32,767 minus, 32,768 int, okay, equal to, okay, 214 minus comma 10 digits, guys. XXX, XXX, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 digit number, okay, 2, 214, or else, let me get that one, don't worry, range. Okay, let. This is the table, guys. Okay, we will follow this table. This is the table. Okay, now I don't want to go further on this size, leave it. This is the range. So int long float. Okay, array, one more thing is six more rows. Sorry. Okay, not this. This is IBM's. Right. I'm taking only purely numbers, not decimals, guys. Right? Now let us play with the data. Now, what is the formula to create a variable? This is the formula. This is a formula. Clear? Now, which data type I have to pick? These are data types: byte, short, int, long. Variable we know. Now, let us do some work. Okay, now understand this. Age equal to 27. Now, guys, based on the literal value, take the literal value. Check in this range, literal value falls under which range? Whether it falls under minus 128 to plus 127, it falls under this to this, this to this, or this to this. Now tell me, age falls under which range?
Byte.
Byte. So I'm taking byte. Now, is it true, guys? Int age equal to 27. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But why I'm choosing byte, what not int? Tell me, guys.
Takes less space.
Huh?
It takes less space.
Byte takes less space than integer.
How do you know? There is no
Byte
space.
ha-
So
Hmm.
actually,
Byte
our
takes
value is
8 bits
27.
of space in memory, but int
Hmm.
takes 16 bits of memory.
Okay. So, but is it possible or not? Right? If
It is possible, sir.
then if you don't know which is the correct data type to be chosen, I will convert this example like this. Okay. Instead of this, okay, it's like or else let me think. I don't want to go this. Let us see this. I hope you got now, right? Yes. Drum. Okay. I don't have better than milk. Okay. Drum. This is a drum. Capacity 500 ml. Capacity 200 ml. Capacity, okay, 5,000 liters. Capacity, okay, 30,000 liters. Now see this, milk equal to, okay, 2,500 liters. Now which container I have to use? These are containers, guys.
Milk can.
One is very good, bottle, okay, then glass. These are the containers, guys. Yes, and can
Yes.
and tank. Now, what could be the best here container?
Can.
Milk is a variable. This is a literal. Now, as per, we should have a data type also, container. What is that?
Can.
Yeah. Right? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
is
sir.
milk equal to, okay, 150 ml. Now, what container have to
Glass.
select? Huh?
Glass.
Glass.
Glass. How you are selecting, guys? Literal value, and you are comparing with the range. Range is from 0 to 500. Agree? Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Here is also 0 to 200. 0 to this. 0 to this. So why range is important? With this range only we can decide the data type. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
one question. One question. Milk equal to, okay, 100 ml. What could be the my container?
Glass.
Glass. But is it fine? Can it be possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Then why I'm not using?
Because glass will be most useful than can.
Glass will be
More reliable than can, sir.
right. When you fill it in the can, is there any leakage problem?
No.
It takes more space.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Capacity.
If you are, yeah, capacity is 5,000. When you are using for 100 ml, 4,900 ml space is getting wasted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
If I go with the tank, 29,900 900. Guys, please mute me. Guys, please mute your device if you are not speaking. When I go with the tank, you are wasting a space of 29,900 ml. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you might be thinking, yeah, you might be thinking how it affects my programming. How it affects my programming. See, imagine you have a mobile with 10 GB of 2 GB of memory. Okay, you have a mobile with 2 GB of memory. If your mobile, hey guys, please mute your devices if you are not speaking. Don't disturb the class. Okay. Now imagine, guys, if you take a photo, okay, with some app 1 is there, app 2 is there, app 3 is there. App 1 will capture the photo and it will use heavy pixels, so that if you take 2 GB of space is their memory. If you take with app 1 and image, it will store for every image, it will take 1 GB of memory. App 2 is there, which will take, okay, 50 MB of memory. With that app 2, if you capture photos with the app 2, app 1, you can store only 2 photos, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you go with the app 2, meaning 50 MB per photo, okay, you can store at least thousands of photos. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is why don't waste the memory in the programming. Don't waste memory. And if you waste it, if I go with the app one, I need to take a picture of 10 persons. My memory is consumed for 2 persons, another 8 persons. Okay, they won't get a chance. They won't get a chance, okay, to capture their photos. You are a reporter. You are a reporter and you are going to collect the news and you want to capture the photos also. If you don't know the correct apps and how much space it is utilizing, there is a chance of wasting the memory. Yes or no? So
Yes.
please use the memory efficiently. How to know how to use the memory efficiently is if you know the range, okay, with that range, you can easily store the photos or you can easily capture the, you mean utilization. Developer should have a sound knowledge on the range. Based on that, he have to decide the data types in his programming. So this is you have to follow. Otherwise, memory usage is high. It will be not allowing other programs to run into the RAM. Clear? Yes?
Yes,
Huh.
sir.
Now, I'll give you one example. I will test your knowledge, how much you followed. Right? Now, tell me guys. Mobile number equal to, okay, 99999 and 99999. 10 digits. 10 digits.
Long.
Yes,
Long.
sir.
Of
Why,
Yes,
course,
sir.
why,
long, sir.
Long.
Long.
why not int?
Yes, sir, we can use into two.
We can use
Into two.
int, right?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Why? Two versions.
No, sir, we
If
can't take int
hmm?
because its range is
Sir,
only up to
range is its capacity is so long. So
the mobile number is out of the range of int.
Yes, sir. It is out of the range of int.
so
Long
it
is the
is
correct name.
Hmm. I say int, man.
no, sir.
How many of you are in favor of int? How many of you are in favor of int? Huh? How many of you are in favor of int? No one type? Hey guys, observe the range, guys. It is starting with 9. Here it is starting with 2. Right? 10 digits only. Meaning if your mobile number starts with 200 or 1 with the series of 1 to 214, then we can accommodate it. Now 214 is smaller than 999, right? Yes or no?
Exactly, sir.
214 range, leave about 7, 999. Now if your mobile phone number is, okay, 1000, all 10 digits. Now this will accommodated easily between these two, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But tell me 215, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, sir, we cannot accommodate.
We can't
Accommodate
accommodate.
in int.
Now see this 200 and okay 14 8 0 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can accommodate, right? Huh?
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir. Still we cannot accommodate.
No, sir.
Why?
No, no.
Why?
The range is
The
only up to
range is out of
2147.
2147, and we are crossing 2148. Yes.
yes.
Now, guys, programming, is it tough? Tell me.
I think
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Programming means if you know the rules, if you know the rules, your hand should type your fingers should type the program. That's it. If you know all these rules, these are silly rules. This is the toughest rules in object-oriented inheritance, interfaces, polymorphism. All we are going to study the rules. The better the rules you know, you will be a strong programmer. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
this
sir.
contain
Okay, sir.
this
Sir.
container range is 2000 ml capacity. If I pour milk of 2500 ml, what happens?
Will come out
How much quantity it will overflow?
500.
So when you're trying to add a literal value beyond the capacity, compiler will throw an error saying like data overflow. Right? Data overflow. Clear?
Yes.
This is data types, guys. This is data types. Today, how many data types you learn? Byte, short, int,
In long.
long. And you know, guys, these are keywords. What are that? Keywords. Total, how many keywords?
Good, sir.
Huh? Total keywords in Java.
56, 56,
Uh,
53.
yeah, 56.
53 keywords.
53
53,
keywords.
56.
Today we learn 53. Tomorrow floating 2 keywords, character 1 and boolean 1. So total 8 keywords. 53 minus 8. Plus additionally, we have learned when creating public, class, okay, static, void. So another 8 plus 4, 12, and 12 plus, so within 3 days, we have learned. If you give me another 3 days, we will be learning 25 keywords.
Sure, sir.
And in next 2 days,
Okay,
25
sir.
keywords.
Sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Huh? Half, guys, half of the keywords in next 2 to 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Some people say, Ammo, don't go with Java. It's a ocean. It's an ocean. I say, if you are able to swim in an ocean, you can swim a lake, you can easily swim a tank, or you can easily swim a swimming pool. Right?
Yes, sir.
How much difficulty it took
Sir.
for me to make you to understand these data types, guys? How much difficulty you faced, or even I struggled to make you to understand about the data types. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay, sir.
So guys, please, again, I'm saying, this is just a sample or a trailer. You come and you spend 4 months of time with me. I'm an architect, guys. I'm an architect. I don't want to give a lengthy 1 hour theoretical sessions. Directly learning the concept and doing the practicals. Less theory, more practical. This
Okay,
is
sir.
just a core Java. Spring you will enjoy. Spring Boot you will be enjoying. Same kind of training in Spring Boot, JPA. Very okay. Direct to practical, and directly we will be implementing one project in the training itself. Fine.
Okay,
So
sir.
Any doubt on my training?
No, sir.
Right? No. So please take 4 months of time with me in future. I'm not speaking about the current training. Let this happen. But take, okay, what you have to take 3.5 months time with me. We'll have a good journey and you'll be a solid developer with an experience of minimum 2 years. Minimum 2 years. I will challenge you. I will challenge you. Now see this, guys. Understand this. Okay. We are about to end up this class.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Somebody said something. Hold on, guys. Be online. 1 second. This guy is Sumit Mahajan. See his testimony, guys. Can someone read?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read.
I was part of Java full stack development program led by Mr. Anil Kumar. His deep understanding and expertise in subject matter along with industry insights helped me grasp complex concepts, learn about best practices, and helped develop strong foundation in core Java. Individualized feedback was a game changer for me. It allowed me to work on my shortcomings and improve myself whenever necessary. I'm happy to say I have received job offers from JFrog of 8 lakh 8 LPA and an internship offer from McLean, and I'm waiting for offer letters from Accenture and Atos.
Guys, why? Because this is my training is 20%. This guy every day 6 hours he used to practice. And this guy he stays in Pune. He have an health issue. Okay. Any moment, okay, his life will be ended. But he is working now in the Atos. Are you seeing? Are you good? So guys, that's what I'm saying. Think about, okay, and what I meant to say is your future is very important career. Okay, please think about it. Next 4 months, spend time with me. Okay, you will get lot of experience and expertise. Okay, I'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue with the data types and then we'll jump into the operators and control statements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, bye.